The course begins with the definition of the deep learning models. The definition of deep learning, the differentiating the deep learning with the machine learning and shallow learning. We'll learn the different learning paradigms like reinforcement learning, the supervised and unsupervised learning. After learning this, the paradigms, we'll understand the core components of deep learning models. And you also learn the evaluation matrix used to evaluate the deep learning models. The evaluation matrix like precision, recall, the FN score, RACE score, AOC curve are discussed. Followed by this, we'll have the hands-on session that gives the introduction on PyTorch, Keras basics, and TensorFlow. So once you know the basics of deep learning models, it is important to know the fundamentals of convolutional network. The fundamentals of convolutional networks gives the understanding of building the CNN models, where we're going to discuss about the different optimization techniques, the optimizers and the regression techniques. In the optimization techniques, where we're going to discuss about the RMS probe, ADAM, range. In the regression techniques, we discuss about the L1, the L2, random batch norm, and early stopping. After understanding the scene models, it's important to know or understand the building the scene models. Therefore, we'll have one answer session to build the CNN models and test the CNN models with the different parameters and compare so this CNN models with the CNN models. After understanding the CNN models, it's important to understand the advanced deep learning models, the core, the components of deep learning models, and the advanced deep learning models like ResNet, GoogleNet, the EfficientNet, VC16, and etc. So they we're going to learn the architecture of the one of these advanced models, then followed by a transfer learning, a transfer learning models. Then we're going to test one of these advanced models on the customer dataset and compare the performance of the models. The followed by the followed by followed by the advanced deep learning models, we're going to discuss on the sequence modeling with the recurrent neural network, the variants of the RNN. We're going to discuss the LSTM and the other variants. In the sequence modeling, there are the various challenges like balancing gradient. So this problem will be discussed with examples. Followed by this, we'll have the introduction on autoencoders, where we're going to discuss the variants of autoencoders, regulation of autoencoders, regulation with the autoencoder, the sequence modeling, the sequence predictions with the RNN, the time series forecast with the LSTM. We have the ancient session on the RNN, that is sequence modeling, and the time series forecasting with the LSTM to understand the LSTM and RSTM respectively. Followed with this, we move to the another important the concept it is attention. The variant, the attentions are discussed in the next sections. The attention models like a multi-ed attention, the cross attention, attentions, the visual attentions with the NLP applications are discussed in the next section. In the last section, we discuss about the generative adversarial network, diffusion models, the explainable AI models, federated learning, efficient deep learning models, symbolic AI models are discussed. session, we'll have the answer session on the GAN models with the on the data set. On the GAN generates the images with the model tuning and optimizations at the end of the session. At the end of the session, we'll understand the principles of deep learning and its mathematical foundations. You design implement the deep learning models for the both images and sequence data. The explore the modern the models like a CNN, the RNN, the attention model, attention mechanisms, and generative the attention networks. Be equipped with the deep learning models. In this course, we're going to use the framework and different transfer learning models and optimization techniques. Assessment will be carried out at the end of the course using the weekly assignment, the quizzes, and a practical on that is implementation of a model on the given data set. So this course is not just theoretical, it's a practical journey into the art of the artificial intelligence. Whether you're a student, researchers, or aspiring the AI practitioners, so this is your course and chance to build the foundations and create the intelligent systems.